you worried your garage door might not stop in time? A family in Arlington was, and their filthy, misaligned sensors were the culprit. At Omaha Garage Door Repair, we know how vital it is to keep your loved ones safe. We replaced their faulty garage door sensors and ran tests to make sure everything worked without a glitch. Now, their garage door responds when it should. For reliable garage door repairs in Arlington, dial 402-819-5158. Trust only the best. We're here to protect what matters most.